And next up, ladies and gentlemen, we got King TEECE in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make some noise. Now, we gotta do better than that. King TEECE, ladies and gentlemen, let's show some support.
First, I want to thank everybody for coming out. This is our first ever concert. This all started at this door. So once again, I appreciate everybody for coming out.
Yes, sir.
You can follow me on Instagram, King TEECE. I'm an upcoming artist. I ain't been doing music for too long. This is my probably third performance, so I'm a little bit comfortable with it. But this is my first performance on something I had partner and putting together. So.
Okay, talk that stuff. Put it together and rap it, heard you, girl. Easy work.
Be social, my head over water, I feel like I'm flowing. Sometimes in the get on my back, it's I'm flowing. Then get off my ass and push it in emotion. No comments is coming. Picture myself with a whole lot of money. Them paper cuts coming from thumbing through hundreds. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to sun.
What else?
The comments is coming. Picture myself with a whole lot of money. Them paper cuts coming from thumbing through hundreds. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to sun. Give me a beat, I'ma start out with humming. Performance on stage, got the audience jumping. I went through a phase where I thought I had nothing. Looked in the mirror, saw the man I was becoming. Gonna be a winner, 2020 vision. I'm seeing the picture. My eyesight be wicked, I be seeing clearer. She told me to feel it, she wet like a river. She licking her lips, probably want me to kiss her, but I ain't that sit in the middle. I just be playing the cool, know that pussy rental. Got a lot of shit on my mental. Sometimes he blowing a few. Know how to drive in the rain. 3-hour trip on the road, I was getting some rain. Don't really care about the change. We'll get to the point where my pockets ain't feeling the same. I'm trying to make up my name. And with all the cultures, they don't really care about the fame. Do some niggas in the grave. Took a couple losses, body dropping off the grave. I didn't know how to feel. Lot of fake energy, I don't be knowing who's real. I set my heart in the middle, just hoping that I can see it without making it feel. I start be letting them ring. I done been through some thinking, just too many behind the wheel. I'ma keep chasing my dreams, so respect to the fake couple things that I cannot reveal. I'm trying to grow like a spring. I'm chasing that chicken, I want me a piece of that wing. Down into trying new things. Broken relationships, never face was meant to sing. Used to wash up in the sink. I be pressed on my money, no one to get paid in a week. Always be quick on my feet. Met this little baddie, she had me, she might even come. Is coming. Picture myself with a whole lot of money. Them paper cuts coming from thumbing through hands. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to sun. Give me a beat, I'ma start out with performance on stage, got the audience dropping. I went through a face where I thought I had nothing. Looked in the mirror, saw the man, I was there coming. I'm coming, it's coming. I picture myself with a whole lot of money. A whole lot of money from thumbing through hundreds. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to sun. Give me a beat, I'ma start out with hundreds. Performance on stage, got the audience dropping. I went through a face where I thought I had nothing. Looked in the mirror, saw the man, I was becoming. I was becoming, it really excited me. Fighting was really defining me. Goofy bitch that I was working with, probably just want something. I just really that it's over with. Used to walk in on some hater shit, I'm on some great shit. Really think I hate you, used to strip, but I didn't even survive the thing. Started investing my time in the thing. I'm not into rapping, but niggas I'm with, they be stepping. I'm learning to count on my blessings. I never be checking who to a new state with some weapons. I'm learning some trouble with expressions. I didn't really learn from my lessons. I finally accepted that I need to put out distractions. I got tired of feeling depression. When you move on the load, I be guessing. The comments is coming. Picture myself with a whole lot of money. Them paper cuts coming from thumbing through hundreds. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to sun. Give me a beat, I'ma start out 100. Performance on stage, got the audience dropping. I went through a phase where I thought I had nothing. Looked in the mirror, saw the man I was becoming. I'm coming, it's coming. I picture myself with a whole lot of money. Them paper cuts coming from thumbing through hundreds. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to sun. Give me a beat, I'ma start out 100. Performance on stage, got the audience dropping. I went through a phase where I thought I had nothing. Looked in the mirror, saw the man I was becoming.
Appreciate it. He did that the whole track. He didn't take a breath. That's crazy. Y'all rap for real? If you rap, you understand that. No. Easy work.
Can't always fix what don't wanna work, expect some things to go wrong. Don't like working minimum wage, paychecks be taking too long. Loving my time and my notes and listening to beats. I had to get off my ass, start making moves all on more gon' feed it. Never tryna fuck on my back, can't let them in on that defeat. I'm tired of searching for love, cause ain't no love inside these streets. Them doggy days are gone. You ain't forever live on. Walking through the rain, no, I be brainstorming. Trying to find a way through all this pain, feel like I'm walking in a minute. Filling through my songs, I feel like performing. All those dirty lyrics, they're finished. You don't know how I was ready. Hustle, man, a product of my environment. I be hustling. I fill my circle with people who get the money. I feel like it's rubbing it. They giving our heart no more. Gotta take it from me. Ain't showing no love. You ain't trying to love no more. You was slow. We ain't got fun again. New face trying to come around. They gon' try to do the thing we ain't through. Almost was making to grab that bullshit. You come through. I was acting like I had it all and I ain't have it. I was just trying to be cool. Started rapping and I found the passion crazy. I didn't even complete. Goofy bitches. Lord knows I'm so tired of these goofy bitches. Ruthless niggas. I wear in a couple of ruthless niggas. Windows tinted. You cannot look at my car and you cannot see who in it. Get shifted. Take a trip to the beach. I was on the lot of drifting. And niggas see the light and all this rapping cause I'm putting time in it. Experience it. And separated myself from the ones who started switching. They ain't listen. Do I had a ticket? They ain't see the vision. Shit is serious. That's when you gon' start to see all the division.
Easy work.
Them doggy days are gone. You ain't forever live on. It's raining and it's pouring. These hoes just be pouring. Can't sleep, ain't no snoring. Up early in the morning, my grind don't stop. My poppy go pop me a watch. Didn't even think of my spot. Shit out in the block. You better watch your kids. Go no time, got no fear. Shining, I sat inside that hot pot. Ain't no Wi-Fi, I'm just rhyming. Been thinking about putting the 10 together. Might get into design and remember days I ain't feel I was living. No, I was just surviving. I'm tired of surviving. Them doggy days are gone. Your name forever live on. You had no home. This coming out March 1st, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at this and tune into this next song. Red flag.
We all got it.
Red flag. Red flag. I end up cutting some of this up. King of the jungle, such a prepare like a lion. Most of these bitches be lying, selling they pussy. A nigga like me, I ain't buying. So when a boy not even trying, my mom in the science to keep away from all the guns. Sometimes these pussies still be trying, but I can't deny it. Money moves, city made. This niggas take on the island, let's get to the grain. You niggas be too soft, bitch, you pulling their jaws off. When I start on the scene, she said my heart cold. My story be untold, I'm a mystery. You cannot come around me if you not in counting money. I like counting the grain. 150s hit, and the 20s and 10s hit. Front of the checks, no time for these goofy hoes, cause they only go for the sex. They know we up next, these hoes that be coming around me know the only good at the next. Well, saying the best when it comes to this rap shit. Okay, I'm real, sounding like a vet. Looking for the cash in that church, had a lot of ass on hands on deck with a lot of cash. So I had to invest like the any splash, had to throw the effect, had to do it dash. I just hope I'm ready to be the smash. I'ma treat it like sex, the pussy trash, heads on to the next. Ain't trying to match, ain't the subject. Don't tolerate no disrespect, ain't know me. For this and next, don't try to be on me when I ain't having you, ain't want me. You know that's a red flag. I got it on phone call, saying you horny. Let's use the red flags. Like thinking the tongue, she said I was funny. I stuck on her pussy by making a lie. Boy, no, these red flags, blurry red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. Red flag, red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. Red flag, red flag. Red flag. Nigga watching me, red flag. On the shop is the red flag. On the stop with the red flag. You blocking me, red flag. You watching me, red flag. The shop is the red flag. Stopping me, red flag. I'm feeling like winning. Had to get up and lost 1 minute. Got ladies hitting me. Hit me up to make a decision. Got enough to the feelings. Know a couple of niggas addicted to adrenaline. Prep for the healing. Watch you hang because niggas be switching. I said from the beginning. Don't gotta drop this to make niggas listen. She can tell her business. She must want a nigga like me to be hitting it. Couple niggas might send for it. But a nigga like me knows right from the indoor. Give a shot at the big boy. It's one of the niggas the city went in for. You on me when I ain't have it. You ain't want me. You know that's a red flag. I got it on me. Phone call saying you want me to do the red flag. Back in the time when she said I was funny, I stuck in the pussy by making her laugh. Avoiding all these red flags, blurry red flags. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. Red flag, red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. Red flag, red flag. She keep blocking me, red flag. She keep watching me, red flag. On the shop, it's the red flag. On the stop, it's red flag. She keep blocking me, red flag. She keep watching me, red flag. Stop it's red flag. Stop it's red flag.
Easy word.
Red flags, red flags, red flags, red flags, red flags, red flags.
Like I said, my name is TEECE. Y'all can follow me on Instagram. That song, Red Flag, dropped on March 1st. So I appreciate all y'all for coming out. Make sure y'all tune in March 1st for that song, Red Flag.